That's right, no mailing required. Guys, there's not another system out there like this. You don't have to print flyers. You don't have to buy postcards. You don't have to buy names. You don't have to buy stamps or envelopes. It's all handled for you. That's right. The company will send out on your behalf a 6-page colored flyer. People that request it from your website that you're given. There's an email follow-up campaign that's also included. You're also put in a company rotator. I suggest you give your website out to everybody that you think would like to have cash to their mailbox. Guys, go to www.
Okay, here we go. It's kind of thick. Kind of thick. Club Cash Fund. 600. Thanks. Love it. Wow. Many thanks. Oh Lord, I got everything. I got money orders. I got cash. Wow. Oh boy. Love it, y'all. Let's just know I got $600 worth of cash in this envelope. Does Club Cash Fund pay you guys? Yes, it does. Thank you. GPSC Incorporated, Club Cash Fund. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Get ready, everybody. Too anxious, y'all. Too anxious. Oh, that's cute. Snoopy Doop. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, $520, you guys. Another great day at Club Cash Fund. I've been getting money every single week since I got started. You guys, if you haven't signed up for Club Cash Fund, I think you got to get on over there. Won't walk over there. Run on over to Club Cash Fund today. Find a spot.
What's good on this beautiful day? It's crazy hot here. I'm going to do this short video for y'all. I just checked the mail. I got cash from Club Cash Fund. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put this a little closer. I wanted to put a sticky on there so that you couldn't see my address. All right. It hasn't been opened yet. Kind of looks like it was, but honestly it wasn't. So that's kind of just how it comes. We're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up. I've been a part of this company about 2 weeks now. It's definitely paying out. Having a good time with it. All right, here we are. Okay. They got their little logo down bottom. I read this to you. It says, Antonio, thank you for being part of Club Cash Fund. Here's your $180 commissions for last week. Consider leaving us a testimonial message by calling our 24/7 toll-free voice number, okay? Now, it gives us the phone number. You can leave a testimonial. And that's important stuff, you know. If you feel like leaving a testimonial for the company to use on your behalf, it's going to help everybody. You know what I'm saying? We want to spread the word. Let everybody know it is legit. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. 120, 40, 60, 80. The company's been paying me out. It's about 2.5 weeks that I've been rocking out with them. So far, I've done about $700. They still owe me some money, so I've been in like 2.5 weeks or whatever. And I've been paid out twice so far. They still owe me some money. Totaling about $700 so far in 3 weeks. And I don't push this opportunity as much as I could, all right? I got other streams of income. So anybody who knows me knows that it's got a crazy amount of streams of income. I always put my team on the stuff and really make sure it's legit before I put a lot of people into it. This has paid me out. Once I realized it paid me out, I put a lot of people onto this, okay? I really did. I started pushing on Facebook hard. I put a group together. If I'm not mistaken, we have the largest Facebook group right now. Club Cash Fund, it's bag season, that group. So, I mean, we're really doing the thing. We're enjoying it. A lot of people is diving in head first without even asking any questions, and that's the way to do it. Just take action. It's $100, a one-time fee. One of these. One of these, okay? So like I said, I've been in 2.5 weeks and did like $700, and I only paid $100 to get in. And I don't ever have to pay no monthly bills because there's no monthly bills. So I just profited $600, and I hardly tried. I'm being honest. I've been doing this 12 years in the industry, sales, marketing, recruiting. I've never been able to make $700 so easy, all right? So easy, okay? I mean, oh my goodness. This is for anybody who just don't know what they're doing. If you know what you're doing, that's even better. But if you don't know what you're doing, it's definitely for you. Somebody who's struggling to make money online. Jump onto this. This company is super dope. This is legit. I mean, they send you this neat little envelope, and they mail out kits for you, and they take care of you. They hook you up. They even accept Cash App now. So if you got, a bank card, you can go ahead and you can pay through the Cash App. They'll set up your account. You get a website, and you don't have to worry about just sending your kit back, waiting, probably 3 to 5 business days, and waiting 7 to 10 days altogether, whatever, if you have to go ahead and mail your kit back after they mailed it to you. You can get started, we're talking about within hours of paying your membership with Cash App. So I highly recommend everybody jumps on board with this. My name's Antonio. For the ones who don't know me, feel free to check out my profile. I recruit, I make good money online. I'm a passionate person when it comes to helping others succeed. I feel like it's lonely at the top. Money don't buy happiness, okay? But I tell you what, I've made a lot of money in the industry. I've helped a lot of people make a lot of money. So I'm happy making money now because I've helped a lot of people change their financial situation. So it's not lonely at the top no more because I'm not the only one at the top on my team. I'm telling you right now, I got my team members, they climbing up the ladder right along with me, and I'm helping them up, okay? Literally. So I just want to motivate you, encourage and inspire you, and take action. Literally, just take action. That's all it's about. Be an action taker. Like I said, I profited $600 in 2 weeks. I'm nothing special. It's not like I'm out there doing something special to get all these sales. I'm not doing that, okay? Matter of fact, it ain't about how many sales you can get. It's about your team members producing and getting results and duplication, okay? I have a member on my team who's made hundreds of dollars, actually. He's only signed up 2 people. That's it. He signed up 2 people. His people went out and started making all the sales. It's really official, y'all. So y'all need to be a part of this opportunity. What else? What's another thing? Oh, you get a back office. You get a back office. You get put into the team rotator. All right, that's a big thing. So you're actually going to be getting free traffic. The ones who don't understand how to get traffic sent to their website, look no further. The company actually sends you traffic. So I'm actually getting sales without even doing any recruiting, without doing anything, from a one-time fee of $100. All right, my money was made back. I swear my money was made back in like 24 hours, maybe 48 hours. My second day, I already made my $100 back. Right. Come on, John. This is a no-brainer. Get with your sponsor. If you don't know who your sponsor is, get with me. I'm all over the Facebook group there, the Club Cash Fund group. It's bag season. Jump on this opportunity, all right? Once again, as you can see, it's my name there. They're located in Tallahassee, Florida. I'm out here basically sweating, y'all. It's hot out here. But anyway, I just want to give a big shout out and a big round of applause to my team. Everybody who took action. Y'all dope. For real. Y'all doing it. Y'all very, very impressive, okay? Because it's been 2.5 weeks, and I seen results. Because a lot of times with the opportunities I promote, I will see massive results fast. Because I'm good at what I do, because I'm experienced. I have years on other people. My team, this opportunity, I'm telling y'all, they dove in and they started making $100, $200 every couple days, and I'm just thinking like, oh my goodness, I have to push it to the masses. I have to. All right, I gotta push it. And it's a mailer program. All right, so you're gonna receive cash in the mail, and Facebook users love the fact that they have one-time payments, okay? So it's $100 one time. They'll never pay a bill again. No monthly bills or nothing for membership. And that they receive the cash in the mail. So they take well to that, okay? It really, really converts. And that letter that the company sends out on your behalf, which is the kit, that does the telling and the selling. Game over, all right? So once again, big shout out to the team. Big shout out to everybody. Also, big shout out to John. John, the owner of the company, he's really outdone himself. John, I appreciate it, brother. He's a really good dude. I got to speak to him, and y'all need to take action. All right, go ahead, watch the video, you know, a few times. If you didn't catch some of this stuff, share it, sign up, do whatever it is that you need to do. I just encourage you to be a part of this, because this is the new movement and we going viral. We in the viral stage right now, and what better time is it than to jump onto something when it's going viral, it's trending. All right, I love y'all. Take care. God bless. It's bag season.
Okay, everybody, another great letter opening for Club Cash Fund, GPSC Incorporated. Today is the 3rd of May. I was supposed to get this envelope tomorrow, but guess what? He sent it 2-day priority, $7.35. I love it. All right, here we go. I'm supposed to have $600 in here, guys, from Club Cash Fund. Trying to keep you guys from seeing my address. Okay, here we go. It's kind of thick. Kind of thick. Club Cash Fund. 600. Thanks. Love it. Wow. Many thanks. Oh, Lord, I got everything. I got money orders. I got cash. Wow. Oh, boy. Love it, y'all. Let's just know I got $600 worth of cash in this envelope. Does Club Cash Fund pay you guys? Yes, it does. Thank you.